Hey guys, today we got some soccer stuff. Comment down below or like and subscribe if you like soccer, or you can also call it as football. So, come on, you wanna do it? Yeah, so guys, we got some stickers, and these are the stickers. We got this guy. We got this club team. We got this guy. We got this guy. We got this Morocco guy. And we got an Argentina guy. And we got this goalkeeper. I think it's a goalkeeper. And this like if you think Messi's gonna win, like and subscribe if you think Brazil is gonna win or Portugal. Okay, Blue, you can do the jersey. Okay. Come here, Blue. Okay. Come in. Okay. Yeah, guys, we got a really cool jersey. It is indeed a Ronaldo jersey. You can see it's Ronaldo, and it's a Portugal. It's their World Cup jersey. Yeah, isn't it really cool, guys? Like, it's just like we never had we only had like one Ronaldo, no, two Ronaldo jerseys, and now we have one more that's three, and we have two Messi jerseys and one Mbappe jersey. So yeah, and I'm Frenchie. I'm Sharky Bear, and I'm Sharky Bear. I'm Blue from Rainbow Friends. And I'm Jeremy and I'm Jeremy from Among Us. So yeah, thank guys for all the love and support for this video. Well, and also shout out to Super Sonic Bros and Sonic Tails and Knuckles 2. So bye guys. Bye.